Hello everyone, Queen Mia here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload something new. For today's video, I'm gonna do a piano tutorial of the song called Memories by Maroon 5. The entire song consists of 5 chords. We will learn those chords first and then I'll show you how to play each of them. Ready? Let's start! B, F sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, G sharp minor, G sharp, D sharp, G sharp, B, D sharp minor, D sharp, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, E, 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 G sharp, B. That's it. For the intro, we have B, F sharp, G sharp minor, D sharp minor, E, B, E, F sharp. B. So that was from B to F sharp. I'm gonna do it more slowly for you. I'm gonna do the B and F sharp again. And then from G sharp minor to D sharp minor. And then from E to B. E to F sharp. Okay, it's gonna be like this. Okay, one more time. Here's to the one that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here. Okay, we have B, F sharp, G sharp minor, D sharp minor, E, B, E, F sharp. The same as the intro. B. Here's to the one that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Alright? Here's to the one that we got. We have B and F sharp. Here's to the one that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. G sharp minor to D sharp minor. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. E to B. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. E to F sharp of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. B again to F sharp. Toast to the ones here today. So I'm just playing B, F sharp, and then the B and the D sharp together. B, F sharp, and then B, D sharp together. Toast to the ones here today. same. F sharp and then the A sharp and the C sharp together. Alright. Toast to the ones here today. Then toast to the ones that we lost on the way. G sharp minor to D sharp minor. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. And then cause the drinks bring back all the memories. E to B. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories, E to F sharp. And the memories bring back, yo. And then for there's a time that I remember, it's a bit more challenging, so I suggest that instead of playing this, I suggest play just the root and the triad on the right. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. Okay, so it's up to you. Wherever you're most comfortable with, then go for it. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain is B, F sharp, G sharp minor, and D sharp minor. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. B, F sharp, G sharp minor, D sharp minor, E, B, E, F sharp. Everybody hurts sometimes. B to F sharp. Everybody hurts sometimes. And then everybody hurts someday. A, G sharp minor to D sharp minor. Everybody hurts sometimes. Everybody hurts someday. And then E to B. But everything gonna be alright. E and then F sharp. Repeat. Here's to the one that we got. Cheers to the wish until toast to the ones here today. It's exactly the same. And then after that, we're gonna sing the toot 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 toot. I'm gonna sing the last line before that toot 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 toot. Okay. And the memories bring back you. Toot 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 toot. Memories bring back you. And the memories bring back B. Toot toot toot. F sharp, G sharp minor, D sharp minor, E, B. Memories E, F sharp. Okay, and then there's a time that I remember. B to F sharp. There's a B, F sharp, G sharp. I'm playing G sharp, B, D sharp here. And you can also play the D sharp octave lower. It's up to you. There's a B, F sharp, G sharp minor, D sharp minor. The same as the D sharp minor. Instead of playing the D sharp here, I'm playing it octave higher. You can also play it here. There's a time that I remember when G sharp minor, D sharp minor, E, B, E, F sharp minor. Now my heart feel like an ember. Now my heart feel like an ember. And it's G sharp minor, D sharp minor. back to everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday, but everything gonna be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, and we're gonna sing the toot 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 part twice. So toot 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 toot. Memories bring back, memories bring back. Toot 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 toot. G sharp minor, D sharp minor, E, B, E, F sharp, and just continue the same chords till the end. B, F sharp, yeah, 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 yeah. Memories bring back you. And that's the whole song. Hope you enjoyed it. Have fun learning. Bye for now, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.